Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the humidity control slide in this GE refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Open the refrigerator door and fully remove the middle drawer. Next, remove the glass shelf from the middle drawer frame. Now lift the front of the frame up and pull forward to remove. Insert the small flathead screwdriver into the slots to release the tabs securing the old humidity control slide, if still intact. To install the new humidity control slide, align the rear edge under the retaining tabs, then confirm the humidity control lever actuator tab is aligned with the slide notch as you snap the front edge of the slide into place. Now realign the frame's rear notches over the rear liner support posts and lower the frame onto the front posts. Reinsert the glass shelf into the frame. Replace the middle drawer, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.